Good evening. So we are redesigning our office area. So this is the before. You can see how it looks. We are leaving for New York City this night. Ready for our road trip?
Right, I'm ready.
So it's gonna be the longest road trip we've taken
with
Cam, so. But we're leaving, it's like a little past 1 a.m. so it's bedtime, so. By the time we get to New York, it'll be like in the morning, like 8, 9 in the morning, so. Yeah, I'm ready to sleep, ready to pass out.
All right.
I took my melatonin.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Wow, babe. You didn't even consider me. You're taking melatonin. What if I need you to talk to? You can do your mouth.
Yeah, but you told me to get you energy drink.
I know, but still, yeah. Anyway, that's good. You know.
Well,
That's whatever.
oh, put my phone over there. I'm tired. I'm ready to suck out. Okay.
I need you.
Well, play music.
No, yeah, no, I'm gonna finish. Oh.
And drink all the energy. I bought for you 4 different energy drinks.
I'm not gonna finish it on one night, dude. For real though?
Why not?
Why should I drink 4 energy drinks? Am I mad?
Are you mad? Yes.
I'm gonna drink all.
While we're sleeping? Okay, cool. Cam is in the car. Before I get in the car, I just want to make sure that I have everything. The most important thing, we're actually just renewing our Nigerian passport. So the most important thing is just all our documents that we need to do that. So I have that and I have my wallet. I think the first time I'm not traveling with my laptop, but I think I'll be fine. I always never use it, but it's more like a security blanket. There's Cam. Uh-oh. There's Cam. Ready for the road trip, my baby? Ready to pass out in 2.2 seconds? Yeah, he's about to pass out before we even get out of our neighborhood. You're gonna be passed out. I guarantee it. So we are all comfy. Yeah. Travel jammies. Cam has the jammies on. As I said, I took my melatonin, so I'm ready to pass out. Cam, you got enough room for me to put my chair back?
Okay. Oh, you have your bonnet.
Oh.
I just brought this bowl just in case.
Okay. Yeah, I'm wearing my bonnet.
Okay.
Yeah. He brought me an extra bonnet just in case I wasn't wearing it, but I was wearing one. He's so sweet. Is this a full bottle? Oh. Chris always has water for me everywhere. By my bedside. And I was like, when did I put a full bottle? I was like, oh, Chris did it. Thanks, babe. Alright. Wonder if... So whenever we get to wherever we're going, I wonder how to put this on somewhere. This thing's gotta give. I'm gonna use this thing later. Remember? Alright. It's gonna get dark. The most important things that we need, do we have them?
Yeah, I think we do.
Okay. Four bottles of energy drinks on the wall. 4
Stop saying 4
bottles.
bottles like I'm gonna drink 4 bottles.
I already know you're not going to. I was just saying that you have 4. You have 4 options.
4 options doesn't mean that you guys should just pass out and leave me alone. That's all. That won't be an excuse. That's what I'm saying.
Wait, which one did you drink first?
I'm not drinking any one yet.
No, like which one did you open?
I just put out the Red Bull. I put out 2.
Okay.
I think that's the only two I need. So I put them out and put them in the bottle.
Okay. The rest you kept them in the fridge. The other one too.
No, they're here in the cabinet.
Okay. Ready to go? Can we
Yeah,
get all
boys.
of us in the shot?
Yeah, boys. Yep, better lighting.
Ready to go.
Ready.
You have your playlist?
Yep, I already have my normal
Okay.
playlist, so that's good. I'll pull up New York.
Cam is ready to pass out. Look at him.
You ready?
Are you ready to pass out, baby? Huh?
Okay, let's do this.
Are you ready to pass out? This thing's zoomed up. You're supposed to focus on Cam, not me.
Like your face.
There we go. Gabby! Well, when we put out this garage, it's going to be extra dark. So, we'll see you guys at a checkpoint on the road.
I'll see you guys at our next stop.
Checkpoint. We're about to be in NYC. We're about to go through the Lincoln Tunnel.
Which way there you go?
New York City. We had a good trip. I think I slept most of the time. What's so funny?
Yeah, you had a good sleep. That's why I'm laughing. You slept really well.
And Cam's in the back.
Probably took a nap when he came. Yeah, Cam also slept very well.
Yeah, Cam slept well. He
Yeah,
just
he
woke,
wake up
he
like
just woke
7 a.m.
Yeah.
So then went back to sleep again.
Yeah, he woke up at 7 for like an hour, he said, and then he went back to sleep, and then we woke him up at like 8. Was it 9:30?
Yeah.
Okay, 9:30.
Yeah. Like
No,
like
it was 8:30.
8:30. Yeah.
Yeah,
Because I know we're supposed to get at 9:30. We woke him up at 8:30.
Yeah. Yep. And I was able to quickly like find a hotel for us. That was a good deal. So yeah, we about to be in the city. Here on the streets of New York. We're gonna do a little shopping, sightseeing, head to the mall, and then yeah, Cam is passed out. He's overdue for his nap. So yeah.
Ready for New York, ready?
Yep. I haven't been here. I think this is the longest time that I haven't been in New York.
Longest stretch, that's true.
Longest time that I haven't been in New York. So
That's 2019, right?
yeah, so it's I miss the city, I miss the streets, I miss the shopping, I just miss like the whole atmosphere of here.
This is your city.
Oh my gosh, yeah. I had so many great memories here.
You used to come here like every year.
Like not every year.
Like multiple times.
Multiple times in a year. Like this is like my second home, New York City. But yeah, so we are just walking to the mall. So we'll see you guys inside. And good thing the weather isn't horrible.
Yep, it's sunny.
You notice
not
that
so cold.
it's late in November,
Yep.
but it's not freezing. Because usually end of October it starts to get really cold here.
Yep.
So I'm happy that it's not freezing cold here.
Walk without gloves.
Because I hate being here in New York in like when it's cold and wintry, because it's actually not fun. Spring, summer, great in New York.
Look at that boutique.
Oh yeah. Oh, they have all these coats. That's where I would buy coats if I was buying coats. And it said wholesale.
Yeah, it looks right.
Yeah.
Looks really nice too.
Oh, look at those dresses. Look.
Oh, these are nice.
I think mommy has bought dresses from here before. That store looks familiar. Yeah. So anyways, we'll see you guys. Good morning. Cam, say good morning. Oh, you want more waffles? Good morning, everybody. Today is Wednesday, December 15th. Yeah, December 15th. We are about to head out to go to school. I'm gonna go get my nails done. My nails are atrocious. Nails done. They're like literally falling off. Mommy's here, so we're gonna get our nails done together. And then I have a couple meetings today. We're going to Chicago on Friday, so I need to do my last minute packing. I finished packing on Monday, but the little stuff like the toiletries and my hair, like my hair tools, are the only last things to pack. So, and my makeup. So I can pack my makeup and I can pack my hair tools because I know I'm not using that today or tomorrow. And then toiletries will be the last thing on Thursday night. And then I'm putting everything in the car Thursday night, so that we just wake up, throw our clothes on, and then head out because our flight is like really early in the morning. So anyways, we are about to head out. Cam, come put your jacket on. Come on. Come here. Look where you're putting your hands. Come on, let's go. Happy New Year! 2022, and I wanted to say Happy New Year to you guys. It's been a while since I've done like a sit-down, chatty life update video, so I thought this would be the perfect time to do this. I have my window open because it's a little hot in this room, so if you hear any like outside noises, I live right by an airport, so if you hear some background noise, just ignore it. Hopefully, you know, it won't affect the video too much. But yes, but Happy New Year. So life update, I don't even know where to start. I think the last life update I did was, let me see, when did I do a last life update so I know like where to start from. See, my last life update was 7 months ago. So what month is that? May. Oh my goodness. Okay, so in May. Okay, so since May, so right now it's January 11th? No, January 10th. January 10th, so it's Monday, January 10th. Hopefully I can get this video uploaded today. Let's see. But May was my last update. So I think I mentioned at that time that I was working in Kentucky. So I was a veterinary pharmacist in Kentucky, working a travel job, 7 on, 7 off. So it was a great adventure. I finished my duties at that job in November 2021, so a couple months ago. And then I got a new contract job giving vaccines here in the Columbus, Ohio area. So yeah, so it's been fun. I like what I'm doing right now because it's very, very flexible. I get to make my own schedule, very flexible. I get to work the days that I want and stuff, and it's more like the hours that I want and stuff like that too. So everything works out. So that's exactly like what I wanted to do, like starting this year. So I'm grateful that I was able to find the opportunity when it came into my lap. So yes, I'm happy and excited. So that's career-wise, like professional medical career-wise for me. Business, so much has happened in the past 2 years. 2021 was also a great year as well for business, grown so much. If I didn't mention before, we launched Inky's hair care line, Enkay Naturals. So it's her hair care line that she's been working on for about 6-7 years now, and she's created it to formulate products and to cater to women and men with type 4 hair. Because, you know, us that have type 4 hair, maybe if you don't know, if you do know, but us with type 4 hair, a lot of the industry and the market out there and brands, they don't cater to type 4 hair, especially like type 4C hair. So she really wanted to bring a brand that catered to that type hair and brought high quality, you know, ingredient products, you know, to the brand. So I'm excited, I'm happy. We've done so well and it's been received so well, and we had a great sellout launch. So really happy about that. Didn't expect to have a sellout launch and everything to be as great as it was, but you guys came through and supported, so it was perfect. So yeah, so that's what's happening with Enkay Naturals and Kinky. And for the Nkoma side, we have a lot of new products in the pipeline, new products, new prints, new opportunities. Woo! Growing and expanding, so I'm excited. Was it on, I think it was Friday. So on Friday we had like a great, is it a big win or a big, you know, milestone? But we did an interview with Essence magazine some weeks ago, and after the interview went really great and it was fun, and they asked us a lot of questions. Like, I appreciate it because they really wanted to like hear like our story and how we got to where we are. They reached out to us and was like we love to like interview you guys and like, you know, get to know about you and the brand. So it was like surreal, it was like amazing, it was a great opportunity, but we didn't know what the story, like how they would form the story. You know, would they like merge it with like, you know, maybe like a holiday list or something? Like, we didn't even know what was going on. So it wasn't until Saturday, 2 days ago now, that we found out that they released the story. It's, you know, it went live and stuff like that. So we were just like excited and like, you know, we're just like, it's happening. So we're so grateful, and you know, all, you know, because of you guys' support over the years. So yeah, so I will link the Essence magazine article down below to read it online. But yes, but thank you Essence for having us, and I hope that, you know, we'll be able to, you know, grow and work more with them and stuff like that for events and stuff. So I have a lot of ideas coming through, so watch out. So my Hustle and Glow Business Launch Academy, if you haven't heard about it, I created this academy beginning of last year to formally help people, friends and, excuse me, I feel like I have hiccups, friends and family launch, you know, their businesses. I've been doing this little bit here and there for, you know, friends and people that have been following me for years, you know, as a little side thing to help people out. But then I realized that there's a lot of people that need help, and, you know, people have been asking me to do something a little bit more formal and more like a blueprint on like how to launch their business, going from zero to launching. And then also those that maybe already have their brand, but they need help kind of getting, you know, more traffic, more sales, and like, you know, just cleaning up their whole brand. So I created this beginning of last year. Been having so much fun with it, because, you know, it's been my passion to help other women, you know, create multiple streams of income, so they have an entity of their own on themselves, and then to, you know, just have that financial freedom. So this was like the best and perfect way for me to like, you know, bring that into life. What is this on my mouth? Hair. Hopefully I didn't mess up my lip gloss now. Hopefully it's not messed up. So yeah, so anyways, yeah, so that's like what has, you know, blossomed and, you know, all that stuff. So yeah, so if you have a business idea but you're not sure like how to launch it or where to start or like what to do, or if you do already have a business but maybe you're not getting the sales that you want, or you want to expand, or, you know, you just want to rebrand or something like that, click a link down below. Set up a business meeting with me and we'll chat, and then I'll see what I can do to help you, and if you're a good candidate to join Hustle and Glow. So a lot of people do apply and a lot of people are interested, but I don't bring everybody in because I only like to keep a certain amount of, you know, spots, I would say, per month available, you know, for people to come in. And also I can't help hundreds of people at one time, so rolling in as people are coming in, and I take like maybe like 5 or 6 people per month, and then, you know, go from there. So let me know down below if you have a business that you need help with. Click the link in the description, set up a meeting with me, and then we'll get started. So travel. So now travel, one thing is, if you missed my retreat, my ladies getaway retreat last year, it was amazing experience. I'm so happy that I did it. It's been a long time coming for that, but I will be hosting another one this year, and there's a survey down below, just to click that, so I can get a good idea of the people that are actually really interested, what month is best for you, and location. So within the United States, outside the United States, and then topics that you want specifically discussed during the retreat. So last year I did my retreat, and that was in August, and it was at the Ritz-Carlton Residences in Waikiki Beach, Hawaii. It was a beautiful and magical like experience, place, everything. It was so fun. But I had a beautiful group of ladies that came down for the retreat, and they came from all over, all different backgrounds, all different professions, and we had a great experience, not only having fun in Hawaii, but also having like really deep and intimate discussions about you know, family, life, career, goals, love, relationships, and really like manifesting and finding your purpose and that path that you want to go on to get to that life you see for yourself. So and I know a couple of people asked me like, oh, will you like record the sessions and stuff? And definitely not, because these are discussions and topics that I haven't talked about in depth on video or on my YouTube, on my Instagram, because they're very like personal for the people that are going to be there. Like when we were there, people laughed, we cried, we shared, you know, personal stories and struggles that we're going through. And I was just there to offer my advice and my experience on things that I've already experienced in my life, and to help just gain that clarity, that focus, and, you know, ways to problem solve, you know, what, you know, certain people are going through. Offer my stories and what I've, you know, things I've experienced, my advice on how to apply it, you know, for their specific situations. So yeah, so it's not, definitely not something to be recorded and shared. But it's a real life in-person experience. So the link to the survey will be down below, and then once I have location locked in and stuff, then I will announce registration is open for the retreat. There's only a limited amount of spots that are going to be open, because it's a small, intimate, you know, session, gathering, you know, trip. So it's not everyone that applies to come in is not going to be able to, you know, attend. So make sure you leave this, give a survey down, like fill out the survey so I have your email. That's the only way that you're going to hear about the announcement of the next retreat. And I will also announce it again later on my YouTube and also on my Instagram. So link to that will be down below. All right, so I also wrote down to make sure that I remember certain things that I wanted to like sit down and talk about, and then I got things to show you guys around the house. So yeah, let's see. So I talked about that. Let's see, talked about, oh yeah, so kind of like I said, the year in review in here. So yeah, the year in review, 2021 was a great year. A lot of great things happened. I feel like 2020 and 2021, they were both like really great years for me. Just taking advantage of, you know, the situation that we're in right now with the pandemic, and things are slowed down. We're not out and about as much and stuff like that, but just taking advantage of time and opportunities for personal growth and career and business growth. The year in review, so year in review, 2021 was a great year. I can't say anything bad that happened, or, you know, I struggled, you know, specifically with something like huge. Like, we all have struggles and stuff like that, but you know, here and there, but there wasn't anything for me to like really point out and stuff like that. But I did want to say that 2021 we definitely traveled more, had a lot of family trips that we planned. I think I've already vlogged everything that's been available that I've vlogged is up, except for Greece. I went to Greece with my best friend at the end of September, and then we came back in the beginning of October. So we went to Greece as like our annual best friends vacations that we've been doing for the past years now. So the vlog for that is not up yet, but I probably will attach it to this video, because I wasn't necessarily like vlogging the trip, but I do have some clips here and there that I can throw into this video. So I'll just make sure that you know, stay tuned for the rest of the video, and I'll throw that in there as well. I'm trying to think. Everything else was fine. I was supposed to go to Nigeria with Chris in December, but unfortunately, the visa and passport renewal whole process with the Nigerian embassy is so backed up. Like, we started this process in September. Yeah, we started this process, oh no, yeah, started in September, I believe. And we did paperwork in New York in November. Yes, in November, and we're hoping to get our stuff back before we travel in December, but it didn't. And they stopped giving, like, you know, visas, you know, because it was like, well, if our passports don't come in, can we use a visa? But they weren't giving visas unless it was an emergency, and it had to be like a real emergency. So unfortunately, sad face, we couldn't go to Nigeria for my sister-in-law's wedding, but Chris was able to go by himself because his passport was not expired. But he went, came back just in time for Christmas. So yeah, so 2021 was a great year. I do have a lot of things that I'm going to be changing, like with my routine and my goals for this year, so that I'm more available, like content wise, on YouTube for you guys and on Instagram. And just being a little bit more organized and create new systems so that business operations can run a little bit more smoothly. Because, you know, with all business, there's ups and downs, and it gets really chaotic a lot of times. So just trying to put those systems in place so that things will be a little bit more smooth on that back end, so that all, you know, my assistants and my manager can handle that, and then I can be more like here talking with you guys and creating more content. All right, so so let me start before I walk around. So before the year ended, before 2021 ended, I wanted to get very organized. Let me turn this light off in the back because it's not giving. It's like yellow light. I hate yellow light. So anyways, that's light we usually put on like at nighttime, you know. So now it's like super bright. Okay, so 2021, before the year ended, I wanted to make sure that I had like all the areas, you know, in the house that needed to be fixed and organized and decluttered. I wanted it to be done before the new year started. And there was a lot of areas that needed to be done, a lot of things that need to be decluttered, and a lot of things that need to be just taken out the house and rearranged. So me and my assistant, we like took areas day by day and got them done, got them fixed, got them organized. So I want to show you guys. Of course, today that I choose today to do this, our master bedroom is actually not organized at all. But I will show you like the part where I organized. Okay, so the first place was my makeup table. Actually, this was not the first place, but I'm not going to go in order because I'm just in this room now. So I'm going to show you first the makeup table. So my makeup table, this is a makeup table. I got it from IKEA. There's a lot of junk on here, and I will do like this unboxing. So Inky got me a beauty fridge for Christmas, so, and this also as well. So I'm gonna unbox it and then set it up. Forgot where to set it up, but I'll show you guys that later. But this is clothes that needs to go in my closet. But yeah, so I cleaned out my makeup drawer. So this is like the makeup that I have now. This is all that I have. This and this drawer. These are what I have right now in my makeups and stuff. So I wanted to, and then this is like miscellaneous things, hair products, and then travel bags. So yeah, so I really wanted to have my makeup table like clean and decluttered, so that was that. Now the next place that we decluttered was, all right, the bathroom is really messy. Horrible lighting, horrible. Yeah, one of the things that we're actually going to do is change all the bulbs in the house, because when we moved in here, because we're actually just renting this house, when we moved in here, we never changed or did anything with like the light bulbs. So whatever is here is what was here before. Some have died here and there, and we have replaced them with bulbs. It was just like grab something and just put something up. So we haven't like really put the type of light bulbs that we want in this house. So we will do that. So under my sink, if you know, under the sink is always so messy. So I rearranged under the sink so it's organized as best it can. So like soaps and stuff, you know, hair tools. See, this is messed up now. Hair tools supposed to be here. Hair tools and accessories, and some back there. More hair products here. Yeah, this is supposed to be down here as well. I got to be. Yeah, so that. They're in bins, they're organized, separated, and all that. So that was what I wanted to do. Oh good, the light fixed. For there, because that under my sink was, it was not good at all. All right. Now it's time to adjust. All right, next spot is the closet. So this is Chris and I's closet. Nothing fancy. Very small. Nothing fancy, very small. So Chris's side is here. So this is all Chris's stuff here and there. And then my stuff is inside here. So there was a day I was on live that I was cleaning out my closet. I think that was the day Inky had her launch, and I was doing a live with Inky, and I was like cleaning out my closet. My assistant was here and everything. So yeah, so this is my side. So I have all my, you know, Enkoma robes here. Got 11 of them. And then tops and blouses. We got skirts. We have long stuff, and then we have more blouses. So this is the part where I added part of the decluttering. So I actually decluttered my whole closet. So anything here I actually do wear. I got rid of a bunch of clothes. Like the amount of clothes I got rid of, these are the hangers from them. Yeah, this is the hangers of the clothes that I got rid of. That's how much that I got rid of. So now I have a bunch of extra hangers. So that will go back in here. So now when I have new clothes, I have plenty of hangers. Then we got some organizing things. I'll show you guys that a little bit later. So I got this because I had a bunch of clothes that I couldn't put anywhere because I didn't have any more space. So I said, okay, I need to get a drawer that will fit in the closet because obviously we already have one out here, but it's full. So I got this from IKEA. I built it, and now it's great. I put some of my bags up here, and then everything else is just like, this is all like my clothes that I wear at home. Like PJs, sweatpants, tops, sweatshirts, all that. So just home clothes. And then I got all my Enkoma pajamas down here. So yeah, so this was a game changer for me. That drawer, perfect. But anyways, so now everything is like, you know, organized and has its place. I kind of tried to color coordinate like with the colors, but I just have a lot of colorful clothes. So that's that. My battery is dying, so I guess I'll just keep going until the battery dies, then I'll change it. So the next place was Cam's room. So in Cam's room, when we moved in here, how it was when we moved in here is how it's been for over a year. Because we moved in here in 2019. So when we moved in here, I dumped all my shoes in here, and they were just like scattered everywhere. So I needed a shoe rack because I didn't have any when I moved here. So the next project in here was one, taking the shoes out that I don't wear anymore. So I had majority of all my shoes I couldn't fit anymore after having Cam. My feet grew and never went back to the right size. Yeah, they don't tell you that. So yeah, so got rid of a lot of shoes. So all my shoes now, I used to have a whole room full of shoes, and now all the shoes I have is from here to here. That's a reduction. That is the great reduction. So those are all my shoes. So we organized Cam's closet. So he has some toys up here that he hasn't opened yet. All right, had to get a fresh new battery. And actually Cam is sick. He's been throwing up all day, so when I went down, he just threw up on the couch. And he was like, I came down, he was just sitting there, like sitting up on the couch, like, and I was like, what's wrong, Cam? And then I went closer and I was like, oh, you threw up. So anyways, back to the closet. So yeah, this is like just extra hangers. Are we gonna focus? Like, I hate when the camera does this. Anyways, all right, so hangers, random storage stuff that I have here. These are actually all of Cam's clothes that are too small for him from when he was born to up till now. So I've been storing all his stuff in here in these bins. This is the newest one, so it's not that full, but these are completely full here, these three. And then his clothes, some of his clothes that I hang, some of his clothes that are like dressy clothes and like sets, like sport sets, and then clothes that are like too big for him, that are like, right now it's like 4T, 5T. These are, you know, kind of big for him. And then all his baby stuff. I don't have much baby stuff of you know, Cam, because I really consciously did like a minimal approach to like baby items, because I don't like clutter, and I feel like the more stuff you have, the more mess it makes in your house. So this is literally like right here, and then the Mamaroo downstairs just sitting by itself in the basement. That's all like my baby storage stuff, because I didn't get much. So everything else I'm still using, like his diaper changing table, his crib, his diaper pails and stuff. So this is his bassinet, the boppy lounger that has been recalled, and then his bathtub, his baby bathtub, and then another baby lounger. That's it. That's the baby stuff that I have for Cam. Yeah, so that was where we did, and then I hired a TaskRabbit to come build the IKEA. I didn't show the IKEA shelf. So this is like my shoes, and then the rest of Chris's shoes, because Chris has the other guest room where he puts his stuff. So he has his shoes here, I have my shoes here. So that's all there is. Okay, so now let me show you the next place that we decluttered. Unfortunately, this room is not put together. I'm upset about it. I have to come show you guys when it's put together, because I'm in the midst of laundry. So all the bedding, because we just had guests over for New Year's, because Junior's birthday. My uncle came, Inky was here. So the whole house was full. All the rooms were full. All the towels were used. All the sheets were used. So I'm in the midst of laundry. So as I said, I'll show you guys when the room is put together. But I got this shelf and made this little decor over here. And then I got a side table. Got a side table and some decor. Got a little bit of wall decor. Got my pampas grass and my vase. And then I got these storage bins so that it can look as like clean as possible. This is not supposed to be here. I don't know why that's there. And then I have like my bridal robe samples that I've made here. So here's this. There's one on top of this one. So if you need a bridal robe, I have the Glam bridal robes available to purchase. All right, and this is actually my bouquet from my wedding. It was all crystal, so yeah. All right, so the bed is not made because we're doing laundry. So I'm gonna put all the pillows over here. All the bedding, so there's a lot of pillows. But if you guys want me to do like a separate video on everything that I got, because I actually, everything I ordered for this room to like redecorate it and, you know, refurbish it, I did it in one sit down shopping trip on Amazon. Online. It was like Amazon and Walmart.com. And a little bit of at home. So yeah, so closet. A couple things are out of place, don't mind it. Like this bag, it's not supposed to be out. And this is a bag of clothes I have to send to my cousin. Okay. I have my filming stuff here, travel bags, event dresses, some wigs, bags, hair, you know, stuff. And then all of my like sportswear and sweatshirts and jackets, they're all here. So that's where I store them, because my closet is not, you know, big enough for all of this stuff. But we decongested this whole place because it was literally like filled to the brim, like you couldn't see the floor. So I literally cleaned out everything, and having my assistant help me just made the whole job like not as stressful because it was very fast. Took us maybe an hour. That was done. Next, oh wait, I think that's it. Oh, that's the end of the tour. I forgot that was all we did upstairs. So that is all there is. We're washing our sheets from our bed right now, so we're just have these temporary sheets on it. So yeah, that's it. Anyways, I think that was all I wanted to talk about and just show you guys. Yay, so exciting. I have a bunch of emails to answer now. Haven't done that today, but yeah, but I wanted to just say Happy New Year and just talk about, you know, quick things with you guys. I hope you guys have had a great year. Let me know down below kind of like the highlight of your year, like what was like the best thing that happened for you in 2021. I hope 2022 has started off as a great year for you guys. It's only been 1 week now, going into week 2 of the new year, so hopefully everything has started off great. I know for me, some things have been great, other things have not so great. We actually lost one of my baby cousins. Well, to me he's a baby because he's always been a baby cousin to me, but he's like a little brother to me. But he's actually 29, but he actually passed away a week ago now. So yeah, so that was kind of like how the new year kind of started for us, but we are trying to find happiness and delight and great memories with everything that has happened. So yeah, it's kind of weird. I'm gonna try to talk like slow so I don't cry, because I don't want to cry. But this person is the first person for Enkay and I that we've been closest to in our lives that we have lost. Yes. Like this cousin and their siblings, we literally all grew up together. We were the closest, like of all the cousins, like we were the closest to each other, for each other. So we were very close, you know, growing up. So it's kind of like having a piece of your child, like losing a piece of your childhood, because, you know, all the memories and stories and pictures that you have, that person's in there, you know. So it's kind of been hard for us to, like, you know, process everything and you know, think forward. But things will be better. Things will get better, and just think about all the good times. So that's what we can do. So yeah, so I mean, amongst, you know, a new year, it's always great to have like a fresh start, but when something like this happens, it kind of brings it down a little bit, because a year ago on New Year's Day 2021, that's when we lost my grandmother in Nigeria. So that was like a chaotic day, like from all corners. It was a chaotic day. So then it's like, then this year, then on the 3rd of January, you know, we lose my cousin. So it's been kind of like, you know, but trying to feel upbeat and trying to feel like, you know, just think about the good times and the good memories and look forward to the new year and things to come and stuff. So yeah, so that was kind of like the motivation on a couple posts that I had, a couple posts back on my Instagram. But the importance of family and having like a strong family unit, so that anytime anyone's going through, you know, tough times or bad times, you know, you have your family there to support you and get you out of that darkness. And times when, you know, people don't have a strong family unit, or that family unit is not intact, that's when things start falling through the cracks, and, you know, things, you know, bad things start happening, and, you know, a series of unfortunate events start just rolling and rolling and rolling. So just remembering how, you know, important having not only family, but, you know, a core family unit, an intact family unit, a strong family unit. And everybody's family will look different. Everybody's core family will look different, the type of people that make it up, but just having that is very important. So I was just saying that we owe it to our children to give them, you know, a family unit that is strong and intact and is there to support them through the good times and bad times, and as a guide, you know, to guide them through life when things may not be the easiest. So yeah, so I just want to encourage and motivate you guys to just pass that on to your family. The importance of culture and morals and family values is very important. My parents stressed that so much and gave that to my sister and I and Junior. So, you know, passing that on to our children as well is very important. And also I wanted to say, to motivate you guys to, you know, that idea, you know, that thing, you know, that you need to do, or that you want to do, that you want to pursue, stop giving an excuse as to why you're not, you know, pursuing it or starting it, or, you know, taking that path or that journey, you know, to get to their goal. Sometimes, so, and I just kind of like learned this concept and applied it to myself, like maybe like yesterday or 2 days ago, but sometimes we may not have that motivation or that push or that spark to like do that thing that we're supposed to do, we know we need to do, that we want to do, but sometimes you have to just push through that time of doubt, or that time of just feeling like defeated or like down or sad, and just say like, okay, well, I see you, I see like yourself, you know, dwelling in that fear, that being unmotivated, being sad, feeling down, being unsure. So acknowledge it, and then just say like, just keep going, you know, just push through it. And I'm not saying push through it. Yeah, I mean like push through it, like maybe you may not have to deal with it then, but just keep moving on where you're trying to go, and then eventually you'll figure out what it is you feel like you're missing, or you'll find that passion or that motivation, or you'll come out of that sadness or that, you know, feeling down. So just start, just do it, you know, even though you may not feel the best, you know, mentally. Just do it, and eventually your mind will catch up where what you're trying to do. So for me, I kind of felt like when I started, like, so by the end of 2021, I told myself, okay, I left one job, starting a new one. I feel like I need like a cleanse, a renewal, restart. So I wanted to have like a spa day, or like travel somewhere to just like unwind, unload my thoughts, you know, meditate, and get my mindset recharged, you know, for the new year. But I never had that time. Things were so busy, and this like fourth quarter of the year, you know, if you're a business owner, is the craziest time of the year. So I never had that time. So even though I decluttered my house and got everything organized, everything's perfect, I still didn't like, you know, recharge and reflect and like regenerate. So going into the new year, I kind of still feel this like this like blahness, you know. And then on top of it, like, you know, losing my cousin and stuff just, you know, didn't help at all. But there was things that I needed to do, and deadlines that I had, and things that I wanted to do for myself for New Year, that I just had to just push through and just do them. despite not feeling like the most motivated. So I was listening to a podcast the other day, and the guy was talking about this, and I was just like, okay, that's what I was doing, like still pushing through, just still doing what I'm supposed to do. And then, you know, eventually, you know, when I have that time, or when I come around, I will address the like renewal phase that I need to go through for myself and stuff like that. But not letting those emotions, you know, get the best of me, not letting my feelings and my emotions like stop me from getting things done. Because I feel like we put too much power into our emotions, and they're just emotions, you know what I mean? We can move past it, but we have to have just that power just to move past it. You know, just say F it, and like I'm just going, I'll figure you out later, you know. So I was able to do that, and you know, and get things done. So I'm happy about that, and that helped me be motivated and be like, wow, like I moved past it, like I pushed through and got things done, things were accomplished, you know, projects were started, and you know, I feel like, you know, I have it, you know. So yeah, so anyways, I think I have rambled enough. But thank you for watching. Happy New Year again. Thank you for all your support, everything that I've been, you know, accomplishing and winning at, and opportunities I've been coming because of you guys and your support and stuff like that, with, you know, not only me and like my content and stuff, being an influencer, but also like my brands and stuff like that. So yeah, so hair that I'm wearing, because I feel like I forgot to mention it in the video and then people ask me. But this is the Kinky Straight 26-inch closure wig. It is on my site, yvonne.com. I'll leave the link down below. But this was the most popular unit of 2021. 2019 and 2020, the Kinky Curly was very popular, but this past year, this was very popular. So a lot of you guys already have this unit and stuff like that. But yeah, so I love this unit. It's so full. It's so like big hair don't care, and it's long. But if you don't want it this long, you can get another lengths and stuff like that. But as I said, I'll link this down below. And then my robe is from enkoma.com. So happy on like our growth and where we've come and how far we've come and stuff like that. But all the African print sleepwear and loungewear is on enkoma.com. Bonnets are out of stock, but they will be back in stock very soon. So watch out for that. I literally have to like, my goal this year is to not have things go out of stock. So that will be my biggest goal of the year, to be ahead of demand, because demand is so much and things go so fast on the website, faster than I can actually make new items. So I'm trying to make sure that I have everything in place so that that does not happen this year. So that's my number one goal this year, is not have things go out of stock and always be ahead of demand, and have things ready to go as soon as they're out of stock. So that's my goal. So for bonnets, I thought we did a huge bonnet make. I'm so sorry, like my nose is like being annoying. My nose and my throat, my sinuses. Well, we had a huge bonnet restock in November, and when I say huge, that was the biggest inventory of bonnets that we made, and they were gone in like less than 4 weeks. So now I'm just like, I literally have to make thousands of bonnets to last a month. Yeah, literally, I have to make thousands of bonnets to last a month. So that means that every month I need to have thousands ready to go. Like I can't even like process that. So it's like, you know how many thousands of yards of Ankara fabric that we need to be moving to fulfill like this number? It's ridiculous. So I mean it's ridiculous, and I'm trying to like figure out like the process to do that. We have to talk about it and like think about logistics, but I'm grateful that that is the struggle that we're having, or the problem that we're trying to solve. So I thank God for that. But literally thousands thousands at a time per month. I have to be ready and on top of it to keep up with the way that things move, you know. So, and as I said, my goal for this year is nothing to go out of stock, or just to cut down significantly the number of times that we have to do like a big restock, because it's crazy. It's crazy. And yeah, and I could do a whole video about that, but yeah, anyways, happy new year again, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So I guess this part now is the rest of the clips from Greece, when Erica and I went to Greece. So enjoy, like, comment, subscribe, and share, and let me know what videos you want me to do next, like what content you want me to include in my videos. Chris and I have some videos that, because you know, Chris hasn't even really officially like come into my channel and like been a part of my content, like for real. So this year we said we're gonna make it happen. So let me know what type of videos that you want, what type of content you want me to be doing, me and Chris and stuff. Inky, me, Inky, Lawrence, and Chris, we also said that as well. So let me know what you guys want to see, what you guys want me to talk about, what you want me to show. Yeah, Cam has not been feeling well today. Had a little burst of energy just now. He was just laying on our bed just now, but because he has a little bit of energy. But I need to take off my makeup for the day. Yeah. All right, so I'm going to take off my makeup. Let me get my makeup wipes. I usually use either face moisturizer, or I have my micellar water, but I think the micellar water is downstairs, so I think I will just use, I don't know, or like an oil. I don't have any oil. All right, so I got the Garnier micellar cleansing water. So I do like this stuff to take makeup off. It actually works very well. So what I usually do is, I have these makeup wipes, and I got this from Marshall's. I like getting makeup wipes from Marshall's because I just like the variety. There's literally 11 million different makeup wipes there. Like, there's so many. I like to like pick and choose. So I just douse this. Whoops. I need to clean this bathroom. There's like product everywhere. Okay, so I douse this, and then I just start. And usually 90% of the time that I wear makeup, Chris actually always takes it off for me, because he likes when my face is like makeup free. So he's always like ready to take it off for me, because he was like, just looking at you, like when you want to relax but you have makeup on, like it makes me uncomfortable. That's what he says. So usually I always take that opportunity as kind of like, you know, like when your husband gives you like a massage and stuff. Well, that's like kind of like that. Like, it's kind of like my session, my massage session, but it's taking off my makeup. And he does a good job, and it's fun and relaxing. So, but today he went to the gym. He went to the gym just now, so I wanted to take my makeup off so I could do some work on my computer tonight, like right away. I don't want to wait, so I'm taking it off myself. All right, I got all the makeup off. I have my cleanser here. This is the Natural Essence face cleanser. This is the best cleanser ever. Actually, this is my day one of going back to this, because I always like to do, and I'll show you guys, I always like to do tests and comparisons to other brands that I know of that are good or I've used before. So for a week I was using the Korres face cleanser, and this is a Greek company that is actually carried in Sephora, but I actually bought this in Greece when I went to Greece because I know they manufacture this in Greece. It was actually cheaper. This big bottle was cheaper in Greece, so I picked it up. I said, oh, let me try, because I know how much it is here in the US. So I was doing a 1 week test using only this cleanser, and definitely noticed that my face is not like usually like how it really is supposed to be. So I know this camera will show it, but I definitely have like dryness, like bumps. You probably notice bumps on my forehead, and I don't have, my skin is not like that when I wash my face with this. So today is day 1 going back to this. So everyone that has tried this and sent me messages about it, they love this cleanser, and I love it too. It's really good. It has chamomile and aloe vera in it, but it's very gentle if you have sensitive skin, but very effective if you definitely want a deep clean to your face and your pores. So that's what I'm using. And then I have my face brush that I'll be washing with, and it has a silicone side and a brush side, and I got this from Marshalls. So I love this brush as well. All right, time to wash my face. All right, face is cleansed. Now onto my serums. So I always put on the advanced eye gel serum. I love this serum. It's for your eyes to get rid of like dark circles and stuff like that, but I like to put it all over my face to like make my face even, so it gets rid of, like, you know, as I said, dark circles, but the stuff in it can also, you know, fade dark marks. So I like to put it all over my face so my face is like all even, and I don't have like any, like, you know, scarring or like scars or something. And like I faded them, if I said that right. But yeah, I love this stuff, and it goes fast for me because I put it on my face, but it's worth it. And then the Revitaglow facial serum, it's filled with hyaluronic acid, so this is really good for, you know, giving plumpness to your face and hydration. Let's see, and makes your face look youthful, radiant complexion. So I love the hyaluronic acid. Yeah, if you guys saw my Insta stories today, Cam, he's been sick all day today. He woke up today throwing up. So he's been throwing up all day, but for the past some hours now, he hasn't thrown up, so that's good. So I think he's getting a little better. But he's extremely tired, and then he'll get like bursts of energy when he feels a little better and start playing, then he'll like go lay back down. But right now he has a big burst of energy. But he hasn't eaten at all today, like just little snacking on his like little crackers here and there, and then drinking water. So definitely has not eating anything today, but I know he won't want to eat. Okay. My skin feels so smooth. It feels so good. It feels hydrated, relaxed, and calm. So I love it. Tomorrow I'm gonna wake up. My face is gonna be plump and bright. So yeah, the mess. Oh no. And then my room is a little messy as well. I have things that need to be put away here. There's Cam. He's been in a diaper all day because he keeps throwing up, and then he's already gone through 2 outfits this like today. Like they were literally like within an hour. So we were like, let's just keep him in a diaper because so you won't have to keep like changing and messing up clothes. And then obviously I cannot live without Vaseline, so I gotta put Vaseline on the lips. I love Vaseline, but I literally can't live without it. I haven't found anything like lip therapy that's better than Vaseline, so if you guys have any recommendations on that, let me know so I can try. But Vaseline is the only thing that works well for me. So okay, so we are good. We are moisturized. We are washed and moisturized. It's looking good. So I'm actually gonna edit this vlog. So that's my goal. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna try to do it. I'm gonna edit this vlog and post it tonight. The only thing that I'm worried about is I know I don't have that much grease footage, so it shouldn't take me that long. I'm just like worried about like how much grease footage do I have to edit and stuff. But other than that, like the rest of the stuff in this video shouldn't be hard to edit, you know, pretty straightforward. So I have to turn in my timesheet. I always forget to turn in my timesheet. This new job that I'm working at, it's stop cam. This new job that I'm working at, you have to turn in timesheets like for your hours, and I'm not used to that, so I always forget to turn my timesheet in. And then I just got an email. It's like, oh, your timesheet is late, it's urgent, you know. If you don't turn it in, then you won't get paid next week. So I literally forget every week. I literally forget every week, so I gotta turn that in. Mommy just called me, so let me call her back. I haven't talked to her today and told her that Cam doesn't feel good. Hello. Hello, Mommy. All right, that is it for the day. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. So we are saying goodbye to Mykonos, and we are on our way to Santorini for the last leg of our Grecian adventures. We had an awesome time at the Nomad. We're sad to leave it because it was so comfy, so beautiful, so luxurious. But on to the next one. Erica, are you sad to leave? Very. Yeah, we partied the night away last night. Last night was fun. So we made it to Santorini. Look at the view. Beautiful. So this is our villa here at Cape 9. So we'll do a quick tour. It's actually 3 floors. So let's go. So this is the lobby living area here. Mini bar, mini kitchen. We have a bathroom. And then down here is the first bedroom. So this is the first bedroom, closet, spacious bedroom. And we go up to the top floor. This is the room on the top floor. This is the bathroom. And then the balcony that looks out to the beautiful view. Gorgeous. And then this is our lounge area with our heated pool. It is our last few, not even a few, I said minutes, our last hour here in Santorini. And I haven't vlogged much because I'm just enjoying, you know, my vacation. Ooh, it's very blue out here. How do I fix this lighting? All right, that's a little better. So it's our last hour here in Santorini. We're headed to the airport in like 45 minutes, head to Athens. Oh my gosh, what a day. My hair is on its last leg. But it lasted for the trip. But we just took our last minute pictures, and now we are going to get into the pool, our private pool that's actually heated. So we're gonna get in because we haven't even touched foot in this thing since we've been here. Ooh, it's warm. Ooh. Oh, I gotta tell her to bring a towel. Ooh. So we actually just got back from getting our massages. We had massages and facials at the spa. So we did that earlier today. What did we do? Oh, we had to do our COVID test. So we got our COVID test, and then we went shopping a little bit, came back, went to the spa, and then came back here, took our last pictures of Athens, or not Athens, of Greece, Santorini. And now we're gonna get in the pool for a hot second. I'm in, it's warm.
All right.
Oh, wait. I forgot to bring towels.
Oh.
I would have died, Those,
I'm gonna get the rose.
yes. I think mine is in the bathroom behind the door.
Okay.
So yeah, so we are enjoying, and then we go back home tomorrow. I'm sad, but I'm excited because I miss my babies. Thank you.
Nice and close.
Yes. It's warm, but when you get out, you better jump into that. It's warm, isn't it? It's Erica's first time getting in the water since we've been here in Greece. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. Get in, stay low, stay warm below.
I thought we were taking a picture by the pool.
Is this a ledge?
It's like a little step.
Okay.
Sit down.
Oh, does this thing have jets?
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah, it does.
Oh, wait. Oh. I wonder if it makes it warmer.
This is the pressure of the pump. Oh, we gotta get a picture? Okay.
That's all you need to
I have to put on the timer.
After we get our picture, then I'll put my hair in a bun.
Okay. Good morning. So we are waiting for our Uber to head to the airport, and that will be the last of our Greek adventures. Enjoy the Greek morning one last time. So beautiful. It's definitely not as cold and windy here in Athens as it is in like Mykonos and definitely Santorini. Santorini was the coldest. I won't say cold, but just the coolest. Mykonos was cool, but not as cool as Santorini. But we're on in Athens area, so definitely not as windy and cool, but still beautiful. So yeah, I'm excited to go home. I miss my baby. I miss my baby, well, my babies, but I miss my baby and I miss Chris, so I can't wait to see them. But it was a fun, relaxing vacation. Our best friends trips are back in session. So yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.